welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks for joining me here today. The sun is shining here in Wicklow, Ireland, so I thought I'd take advantage and go to the beach. And the company SandCloud, who support the conservation of marine wildlife through their online shop, kindly gifted me some of their fantastic products, which are perfect for a zero waste beach trip. So let's go. I do my best to walk or cycle wherever I can, and I'm very lucky to live close to the beach, but it reminded me of a time when my grandparents would walk or cycle everywhere, even when they had a car. It was just what you did back then. They were naturally sustainable. I'm very lucky to live close to this beach, which is relatively clean. But did you know that every day approximately 8 million pieces of plastic pollution find their way into our oceans? So if we keep going the way we are, there aren't going to be any beaches left. This is my favorite spot on the beach. I'm going to have a little picnic, bit of reading, and then we'll do a little beach clean. First things first, gotta put on some sunscreen. Now, did you know that actually a lot of sunscreens on the market are damaging the oceans? So although it may be protecting our skin, some of them have a detrimental effect on our oceans and our natural wildlife. So I like to buy in sustainable packaging, but also make sure that the ingredients are natural and not harming the environment. And like any little trip, you have your reusable water bottle with a non-plastic straw. And I like to bring my lunch. It just saves on waste from buying it in a shop. And the rule of thumb I try and keep is to just leave no trace. So even if it's biodegradable, just bring everything back home with me. So to leave the place like I've never been there. Now I'm very grateful to be able to walk along these lovely coastal regions we have in Ireland. But I always try and incorporate picking up plastic, picking up rubbish into a day trip. And so I'll always bring a spare bag with me, and I'll bring a glove because you just don't know what you're going to find on beaches these days. The problem with plastic is that many marine organisms, they can't distinguish plastic from actual food. So the animals then eat the plastic, and then they often starve because they can't digest the plastic, and yet it fills their stomachs up, and then it prevents them from eating real food. And you may think you're only just doing such a small amount, but if we all just did a tiny amount, it actually makes a huge difference. And it's just my way of giving back and doing the little bit I can to protect this planet that we've been given. So that's it for today. I'm on the way home, and SandCloud have very kindly given a discount for any of the products that were in the video, so I'll leave that link down below. Chat to me as always on Instagram or in the comments. Have a wonderful week, keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next video.